How to give Shopify stores access. In this video, we'll talk about how to give access of your Shopify store to another person, which is a very quick and simple process. Just follow the steps I will show you guys in this video. Once you're on the main page of your Shopify store, on the bottom left corner, you will see the settings icon right here. Once you click on it, open users and permissions. Once you have opened that, you will see this kind of interface popping up on your screen. Under the staff section, you can go and click on this add staff button. Now, staff are basically the members who can have partial or complete access to your store. It depends completely upon you. Here, you can decide what permissions you want to give your staff member. For example, if you click orders, they will have access to orders. After that, the next step is collaborators. Now, collaborators can be developers, designers, marketers that have your Shopify store's access and they work to make your Shopify store better. They are basically called collaborators because they work to make your Shopify store better, not just as a staff member. Well, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.